And we are cutting across to other breaking news coming in, this time from Anantnag, as we are picking up that Sarpanch has been shot dead by terrorists in Anantnag while he was going to work in his orchard. This is a terror attack that has taken place in Anantnag, where a Sarpanch has been shot dead by terrorists. Zeenat is picking up more details on the same. Zeenat, what exactly had happened?
See, this Sarpanch, who has been identified as Ajay, has been shot from a very close range by the unidentified gunman in Larkipura, Anantnag, where he had gone to work in field when the terrorists targeted him. In fact, he was also evacuated to nearby hospital for advanced treatment, but he's come to his injuries, and also doctors declared him brought dead. We are seeing the first killing after 90s in this manner, particularly when an individual from the Kashmiri Pandit community has been targeted in such a manner. In fact, we have also seen when the Panchayat elections were supposed to be held, there had been the continuous threats and the warnings coming from different terror groups that not to participate, and whosoever will participate, he will meet his fate. And simultaneously now on ground, we are seeing those warnings turning into reality. Even now, this time, the Kashmiri Pandit has been targeted by the terrorists. In a broad daylight, the attack was carried by the terrorists in Anantnag.
And Zeenat, another incident of how civilians are being targeted, but this time around a Sarpanch who was shot dead by terrorists. Do we know more details with regards to any political affiliation he had, or how exactly this incident happened? Was he on the radar when it comes to how these terrorists were planning to target him?
See, Swesha, let me tell you, we have been seeing the terrorists targeting the civilians or the political workers, or for that matter, even last time in 2019, rather, when Shujat Bukhari was the senior journalist, was targeted, rather assassinated by the unknown gunman, that time in a broad daylight when he was almost going to break his fast. We have been seeing such kind of targeted killings in Kashmir, whether it's South Kashmir, Central Kashmir, or for that matter, North Kashmir. But as far as this Ajay Pandita, who was also a Sarpanch, because there had been warnings coming from right first day when the elections were supposed to be held last year, when there was a clear warning coming from all the outfits from Lashkar, Jaish, even the Hizbul Mujahideen, asking people not to participate in the political activity, not to participate in the grassroots activity, otherwise they will be targeted. And those warnings are coming into reality on ground when we see the way the Sarpanch who have participated in a grassroots democratic election, and he won, and he was the Sarpanch of in Anantnag. Today he was shot dead in a broad daylight when he was going for work in orchard. There the militants targeted him from a close range. So he's come there itself in the injuries when the doctors in the hospital declared him brought dead. So we need to see how the South Kashmir will pan, because at the same time the security forces are celebrating the success as far as the killings of the terrorists is concerned. In last 2 days, we are also seeing the way operations were carrying, anti-militancy operations were carried by the forces, in which 9 terrorists were neutralized. Because on the one side, we are seeing the success being celebrated by the forces on ground to fight, in order to fight terror, but at the same time, we are also seeing the way terrorists are targeting local civilians. Even the Panchayat, these Sarpanch have not even been spared. When he was going for his work in an orchard, there he was targeted by the terrorists. Although we are also picking that the cordon and search operations have been launched in Anantnag to nab the culprits. But yes, one civilian life has again lost in South Kashmir.
Very unfortunate. And Zeenat, for the moment, thank you for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.